Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, we are sitting at a fib level, and I do still think that this is a W, a X, and we're going to go down for a wave Y. Like I've been saying, this really does not agree with my US dollar analysis. My US dollar analysis actually has the dollar going up for quite a bit more time. So don't be surprised if this actually does keep on drifting up. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly. Like I said, this could possibly end up turning down, but luckily we're just going to continue to go with the flow on sort of time frames. So if the flow just keeps on trending, then that's not going to create a problem for us. I do think there's a pretty good chance that it could turn down and start this big old downtrend for the wave C of wave Y, but until we see some sort of breaker starts proving that it's going down, I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs. Going down to the daily, our last structure level is right here. So if this breaks this structure, that's what will turn me into a longer term seller. As of right now, even though it definitely has a nice 5 waves up right here, even though it's a nice 5 wave pattern to the upside, I am definitely still looking for longs. Just because you see 5 waves does not mean a trend is over. This could easily continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, based on just what I think is going to happen, I do think that this is possibly an A, or maybe it's even a wave one. This move up right here, I think is likely going to end up being a crutch into this move down, probably a B or a 2. I do think there is a pretty good chance that we will end up getting a bounce to the downside for a wave C, which would likely go down to a fib level and then continue the uptrend. Or maybe it's really a 1, 2, 3 and it goes down and gives us that breaker structure that will turn us into sellers longer term. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am definitely still looking for longs. I mean, I would be looking to go long at every single one of these points right here. Now, if it goes down and really starts to, go down with some momentum, then you could possibly try to go short for the wave C or the wave 3. But I would have to see, a pretty significant break of structure to the downside to even believe that's happening. Because, like I said, just because we see 5 waves doesn't mean the trend is over. This thing could just make Fibonacci bounces, go up, make a Fibonacci bounce, go up, and just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, which is why I am definitely looking for longs until the market tells me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.